Listen to the perfection. Nature at its best. Isn't nature something spectacular? It never fails to turn itself on. Like, we have so much to learn from existence. It's just incredible. I feel like anything I say is just going to mess it up. Isn't it just the best? We have so much to learn. You know, even a rock teaches us to just be, to allow, to stay in its own place and just take life in. You know, and the water has a lot to teach us. It teaches us about fluidity and flow, movement and allowing, going with the flow. You know, the trees, they find their perfect place and then get rooted, and they stand tall and they withstand everything that's going on around them. You know, the birds, they just continue to show up every day and sing their songs and be who they are without any consideration of anything else. You know, they aren't concerned by judgment, by anything. They're just being. And how beautiful is that? You know, we get to be with this and to learn and just take it all in. Take in the wisdom that's constantly being offered. It's so beautiful. You know, this morning I was reminded just to be with myself. You know, so many of us will look at ourselves, you know, perhaps in a mirror, perhaps directly, and consider ourselves flawed. You know, we judge ourselves. We've got too many bumps, too many rolls, we've got wrinkles, we've got flaws, things that we consider flaws. And all of it's perfect. It's all got something to gift us with. But the thing is, from a perspective of judgment, we can't receive those gifts. It's about being with everything that is and allowing it in its fullness to deliver whatever it's got to deliver. And we are, of course, a part of nature. We tend to forget that. We tend to put ourselves above nature a lot of the time. But when we can actually be and learn from nature and take on some of those characteristics, then life starts to flow for us. You know, we've got to remember that we are equal to absolutely everything else. Nothing's better or worse than anything. And in fact, you know, I had a comment on one of my posts this morning that I'm worth my weight in love, and that really made me think, you know, I am love. All of the world is created from love. You know, there is nothing in existence but love. So my body, you know, yes, it is worth its weight in love, but so is yours. It's all love. every, you know, from every piece of hair to our fingernails and toenails, you know, they're all created from love. And when we get back to the true essence of them, the energy, they are love. So yes, we're all worth our weight in love. And when we remember that life is love, that everything is love. Hello, Alison. Elena, my friend, and Erin, lovely to have you here. When we remember that everything is a creation of love, and we can return that love, we stop fighting against it, we stop resisting, you know, and that goes for everything. It goes for, you know, our finances, our debts, you know, our bodies, absolutely everything, our relationships. When we can see everything through the lens of love, we bring balance and things are transmuted. You know, where there's pain, balance comes and the pain is resolved. Anyhow, I'm going to enjoy nature a bit longer this morning and just spend some time being. And yeah, I just wanted to share, you know, that beautiful experience of the birds and my walk this morning, and let you experience part of my world. Have a beautiful day and find plenty to appreciate. My love to you all. Bye for now.